So we'll first start off by drawing our unicorn horn. Let's make it nice and tall and skinny. And now we'll start to build in our unicorn's hair. We're going to use a lot of motions shaped like S's or C's or backwards C's. Just keep layering them until you're happy with them. You can add as many or as little as you would like. Alright, now it's time to add on our ears. The shapes aren't too tricky, just try and follow along the best you can. Alright, it's time to add in our face. You can think of it as a gigantic U or an upside down rainbow, whichever makes it easier for you. We're going to add on our snout and our nostrils, and to make it extra cute, we decided to do hearts. From here, we're also going to add on our eyes. Unicorns look so cute when they show their lashes off, so let's add lots of them. Now that we just have our last final touches, we're going to add on the body and a little extra magic to the side of the eye. You could do a heart, a star, polka dots, whatever you prefer. And finish her off with a few touches of the mane. Squiggle, squiggle, squiggle. Great job, guys. Now it's time to paint. Let's wet our brush and then dry it on our paper towel so that we're ready to go. So who wouldn't want a unicorn to have anything but a rainbow mane? I'm going to be taking my time building each little swoop of the mane into multiple colors. Remember, guys, this is your unicorn. You don't have to do it exactly like me. I just wanted to show you a fun way to blend colors and make her mane extra magical. Just wanted to check in and see how you guys are doing. I wanted to make sure that you guys see how I'm washing my brush really good in between all my colors. And when I blend, you can either have a nice dry brush and try and mush those two colors together, or you can have a little bit of water on and just zhuzh it around until it blends seamlessly. Okay, so now we're going to start working on the snout. We're going to start with a white circle right in the middle. Don't worry if you paint on top of the hearts, that's no biggie. So from here, after you filled in the white oval, rather, not circle, we're going to surround that with our pink. Give it a nice ring. What we're going to do is we're going to blend that white into the pink. So you're going to start right in the center. So keep growing your circle bigger and bigger and bigger until you reach that pink and blend it right in. It's looking great, guys. Keep filling the snout in pink. We're going to leave the edges blank because we're going to fill that in with some red. Great, now it's time for the background. I'm going to blend purple, white, and pink for mine, but you can do yours however you would like. We're just going to kind of blend them together as we go until the entire thing is filled up. Okay, great. Now that we've finished our background, we're gonna fill in our star or heart, whatever you decided to make for our little unicorns and makeup. Go ahead, fill that up, and then we'll move on to the next step. Now that we've finished that up, we are going to start outlining our unicorn. Take your time with this step. Really go slow and have patience. I'm so proud of you guys, you did it! Now that the painting is done, let's clear our workspace and we can start decorating. Here she is, Uni, the unicorn. You guys did an awesome job. Thanks for hanging out with me. Can't wait to see you next time. Bye.